Alright guys, it's raining. See that? Dripping on the ground. Is it safe to apply ceramic coating when it's raining? If you're in the rain and the car is in the rain, then of course not. But if we're undercover, water's not touching the car, the moisture is not too high. We've did this before, and you can do it too. Weather conditions may not be ideal, but you can definitely coat in pretty bad weather. As long as the car is undercover, you should be good to go. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Cherry Detailing, located on Guam. Today we have a 2021 Lincoln Corsair. Pretty beautiful car. It's brand new. For the exterior, we're going to be applying System X Max, which is a 10-year ceramic coating, protected against Guam's harsh environment, especially the sun here with the leather. It's best to always try to condition and clean your leather seats at least every 3 to 6 months. We got to do the glass, and then we got to do the 2-year glass coating, the black trim coating to protect the black trim because it's the first to fade, and then we're going to do the body with the 10-year ceramic coating.